嗨，大家好，我姓简，我叫美美，然后我是1728集团的执行董事。
Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron. I'm from 1728. I'm the clinical director of 1728 Dental Practice.
可不可以给我们介绍一下1728这一家公司啊？
1728 Dental Practice, we opened in 2018. That's already been about 6 years on. And the aim of this clinic is to make sure that we provide as good quality dental care as we can at the best possible rates to all our patients. So we bring technology, innovation and equipment from what you would consider from a town practice out to the outskirts, into the heartlands, so that not only certain class of people can enjoy dentistry, but everybody in Singapore can enjoy dentistry. You know, we don't want anybody to be left out. Yeah? So the important part of 1728 that we want to achieve is we want to make sure that anybody that you see along the road, end of the day, will have a good set of teeth that they can eat with, and that's how we go along with our one of our mottos. It's called to restore happiness one tooth at a time.
May I know where is the location for 1728 啊？
我们有3间，在新加坡就3间牙科诊所，就是在红帽桥，那是我们的总店，然后在玉廊东，还有在淡滨尼 Tampines。
So at 1728, the biggest strength that we have is that we actually practice that's really strong on implant dentistry. So we do any form of dentistry with regards to implants, we do fixed or removable, which means 你放的那个植牙 once we do the implants, you should be able to eat with something that does not need to be removed. Or if you want something that's removable, we can also do it. At the same time, we pride ourselves on the ability to do good surgical work, high complex cases. We also do aligners for the population, and we also have a short 6 months aligner program that we can do for almost all patients. At this juncture, I would say anything that you can find in town, we will try our best to source to make sure that we do as good as we can dental work to the populace. To everybody.
在新加坡有很多的类似的机构哈，请问一下我们的最特别的点在于哪里？
你一想到1728，你就会想到我们的亲切的那个服务，因为我们都在邻里嘛，所以就很像朋友这样，所以随时我们的病患朋友就直接拨个电话，然后就直接可以过来，就直接跟我们的陈医生还有我们其他的医生，就好像是朋友这样子，不觉得很怕，你知道吗？你要来牙科诊所，你第一件事情就是我不想，我很怕痛什么的，还是那个味道的声音。但是过来我们1728呢，你就觉得就很像家人这样子呀，所以我觉得这是我们的不一样的那个experience 给我们
啊，我很想知道1728在新加坡多少年了
？Like I mentioned, so 1728 has been open since 2018. So that gives us almost 6 years plus old already, you know. But as a practitioner, as a clinical director, I'm already in practice for more than 22 years. So that's a little bit longer. So we've been in town, and then now, specifically 1728, 6 beautiful years in the 3 clinics that we have.
May I know what the challenge between the 6 years?
Oh, there's a lot of challenges. Setting up dental clinics is never easy, and that's why for me, I think I was very blessed to be able to meet Karine and being very in different worlds. You know, I'm really dentistry, she's doing business, and how this synergy came together. When we start out as a dental clinic when we are a lot younger, we face a lot of challenges, but actually, because I've worked for more than 15 or 16 years, I've seen the ups and downs of dentistry, and so by the time we need to open, it wasn't that difficult in a way, because we have already set a reputation, we've trained yourself to be a certain skill level, and then we open a clinic which is catered towards what our direction is. So the biggest challenge, I guess, for 1728 when we first opened is that opening it up was fine, then hit 2020, which was COVID. You know, and then
疫情
happened. There was a period of time we really couldn't see patients. You know, we can't touch patients at all. That's when actually it opened up certain thinking options to us, and we started doing things online. Previously, you know, patients would call in, make appointments. Now they can either WhatsApp, you know, sometimes they can contact us through Google, any form of your social media platforms. If you come in to us, we can always help you make the appointment. We even have digital appointment making as well. So there were challenges, but I think everything that has been put to us, we try to really one up and meet those challenges and become better.
我觉得还有challenge 就是当然是店租啦，我们的租金真的是 一直往上爬，就新加坡 我们的 standard of living 就是很高嘛，对吗？然后呢，近期以来当然是我们的邻里马来西亚的一些竞争，我们很多就是同行，就是我们都有讨论，我们都有说，很多病人都是往那边走，因为那边可能他们觉得就比较便宜，但是其实我们跟我们的病患呢，我们都是有沟通啊，然后他们还是会过来我们这边。
很多的一些他们都想要去新山去得到这些诊所，您怎么去看待这一个现象啊？
So specifically from a professional point of view, there's really nothing wrong in going to Malaysia or JB or even another country to get any medical treatment. But you must always bear in mind that at the end of the day, if there's something that you have a problem that needs immediate care, if you had done something in another country, I think it's going to be challenging because then if you need it to be done back home in Singapore, it's always going to be more difficult to manage the case that you have. At the same time, in Singapore, I think what our strength is to the rest of the world is that our governance and the way we ensure that the legal perspective, the licenses of the doctors, the licenses of the clinics are all done up to par. So because of that, I think patients can trust that actually if they get their treatment done in Singapore, they'll get the best possible work. I'm not saying that in another country you'll not get good work, you'll probably get good work, but sometimes it's really between if you see the correct dentist or you see the wrong dentist. Like in Malaysia, if you had news, you know that some people go for cheap braces, end up the person is actually not an orthodontist or not a braces, not even a dentist. And then when they make mistakes and you come back to Singapore to get treatment done, that's when your price is going to go up, and you literally wasted your time, effort, and monies. Yeah? So in Singapore, very important is that when you do dentistry, is that most patients see us when there's pain, 痛才来看我们, alright? So when you have pain, you want it to be managed now. Right? So that's when I think having it local is a lot better. Price may be a little bit higher, but that's where for us at 1728, we really ensure that our pricing point is something that patients can afford. And we also follow government policies as to I think the government has done a good job in terms of having CHAS where it can lower the cost for patients, or certain procedures you can use MediSave to lower the cost of the treatment. So as long as we get that going, actually the benefit is really to see back home in Singapore. So the price point, definitely we will not be able to challenge, but I think just in terms of quality and what you get at the end of the day, definitely Singapore we're still there.